Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax, Texas MasterCraft. Today we're bringing you a Premier 230 Solaris. This is a 2023 model. These are great boats, have been awesome for us as a new brand. This is at MarineMax, where we're going to be your one-stop shop for all your boating needs. We got an awesome pro shop with all the tubes, wakeboards, anything that you need. Finance department's going to be able to take care of you, set you up with insurance. Then on the back end, we have a highly regarded service department that's going to be able to take care of you, give you that peace of mind out on the water. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the features. All right guys, as we step inside, as you can see, we do have the Mercury 250 on the back of this. It's gonna make you able to do whatever you guys need to do out on the water, cruising, wakeboarding, tubing, whatever you guys need. We do have this awesome lounger. These seats are gonna be able to flip both ways. So you guys can have a lounger out back, you guys can have a lounger facing forward, or a full bed back here. And there are cup holders everywhere on this boat. You're never gonna be looking for a place to put your drink. As we step forward, we did option this with the dual captain's chairs, these nice high seat backs, really comfortable when you guys are out there on the water. On our helm, they've done a really good job. You got wireless charger, your Simrad that's gonna have all of your instrumentation, chart plotter, fish finder, everything like that, as well as JL audio throughout the boat and RGB lighting. Finally, we do have our digital throttle and shift, makes it super easy while you're out there on the water, makes you look like a pro when you're driving the boat. As we step forward, we do have these awesome loungers right here, a ton of seating up here, as well as our subwoofer right there, and in-floor storage, as well as our massive double bimini. You're gonna have all that shade while you're out here in the Texas heat. You know you're gonna need it. Again, this is a Premier 230 Solaris here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.